Well, some new clinical trials are going on locally that can help to manage pain in some areas, and a new research center is opening up in town. Hakeem Mohammed is co-founder and CEO of TriWest Research Associates. And Dr. Arthur Mabakiao is a principal investigator here. So thank you, men, for joining me this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And first of all, TriWest Research Associates, what is that and who does it help?
Well, TriWest Research was founded in 2009 by Dr. Levy and myself. And Dr. Mabakiao joined us in 2010. And TriWest Research is a clinical trial center that specializes in clinical trials in areas of osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, rheumatology, diseases, as well as diabetes and hypertension.
Okay, so you have all of these different things, and I know that a lot of it has to do with pain management, but it's more than that. Can you kind of explain more?
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing that has changed in the last decade for rheumatic diseases like rheumatoid arthritis is the best example, is that we have this idea now of disease modification where we can actually change the outcome of disease, and now we have people who have this disease but are not deformed by it, and you can't even tell they have it.
Now, sometimes for some people who come into these clinical trials, this changes their lives. This is what is the difference, because they've tried these various treatments and they don't work. And so what do you offer?
What we offer is a treatments or continuing treatment for diseases that either very costly or they don't have access to this kind of doctors. So like Dr. Mabakiao, who is the principal investigator who is in charge of running the clinical trial, provide the services, and these patients can benefit from yet a new medication that's coming out, and most importantly, it doesn't cost them anything.
Have you seen huge differences from the beginning of a trial to the end for some?
Oh yeah, for some patients it's miraculous, and especially if it's a trial that has an open label extension. I mean, it changes people's lives. They're able to work, take care of their family, whereas without the treatment, some of them become so depressed that they don't function at all.
Now, this is the new facility here. You're doing this grand opening in El Cajon, right? Thursday?
Thursday, July the 18th, that's our grand opening, and we welcome anybody to come and stop by between the hours of 4 and 8, and come and check out the site. I mean, it's a state-of-the-art site, and basically you can go around and have people, explain to you what we do and how we do it, and so forth. I welcome everybody to come and join us.
Why do you think it's so important to have clinical trials? Because some people don't really understand what it means. But why do you think? I mean, because if you do find success, then where do you go from there?
Well, there are many promising therapies on the horizon, and this helps them come onto the market, become FDA approved, so that it's available for everybody. And not only are there patients who have failed everything that's currently available, everything that's FDA approved, but there are patients, like Hakeem said, that their insurance is lacking or they have no insurance at all, and this is the only way that they can get appropriate care.
Okay, so who's eligible if people are watching this and they do have, I mean, you listed several different kinds of problems that people may have. How do they qualify, or how do they find out more?
Well, basically what they do, they just call the center, and they will be interviewed by our study coordinators, and they go over like certain criteria. If they meet the criteria, then they come and join and participate in the research.
And for each one it's different, so
yes.
You can't sort of generalize it all into one. They need to call and get more information. We just put the number up on the screen. We have the website there so people can find more information linked to our
yes.
website.
Yes.
All right, and you can go to the grand opening on Thursday to find out more. Thank you both so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Good luck with the new facility.
Thank you.
For more information, go to san diego6.com and click San Diego Living.